Welcome back to our Reveal Our Skin System series. In this episode, we're focusing on one of the most natural-looking options in our lineup, BH3. BH3 features an ultra-thin 0.03mm skin base with V-loop ventilation and Indian hair. Because the hair is looped through the base without knots, the surface remains smooth and clean, creating an extremely natural look, especially around the hairline. With its lightweight structure and 100% density, BH3 delivers a very realistic appearance, making it ideal for clients who want the hair to look like it's growing directly from the scalp. However, not every client wants the same density or hairline design. That's why we also developed BH3AL. BH3AL uses the same 0.03mm ultra-thin base and V-loop technique, but the density is reduced to 80% and the front is designed with an A-shaped hairline. This creates a softer, lighter front that works especially well for clients who prefer a more natural or slightly receding hairline effect. Both models are designed to deliver maximum realism, while giving distributors flexible options to meet different client preferences. In our next episode, we'll continue revealing more of the logic behind our skin system lineup.